You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak.
What's up, friends? What's up, bros? What's up, hoes? Happy Movember. Hope everybody's having a wonderful start to November. We've got 2 months in the trading year to really go out and hit our goals. There's been tons of action this earnings season, probably one of the better earnings seasons I've seen in the last, few, because you're getting opportunity both up and down. Most earnings seasons have a theme, like where everything's either long or this type of setup is working. But in this particular earnings season, you're getting stocks running around pretty much just nonstop all over the place. Want to talk to you guys. We've been crushing it in the chat room. As you guys know, you can watch me trade live any day. I'm on screen share video, hooting and hollering all day, giving exactly what I trade. We have a pretty cool Discord room over here with a whole group of fun people that are just hanging out, doing whatever they want to do all day. I want to talk to you a little bit about a setup that I like to trade every blue moon, but it's a little bit more rare. It's called an opening gap reversal setup. We are taught that when you get a gap, what do you want to do? Long it, right? We've done a million classes on it. We get on pre-market all the time. We talk about gap up means long, but there's caveats to that. When we get a gap up, and we're looking for a handful of things, right? 3% or more with 50,000 in volume pre-markets. You can see there's already all sorts of these happening right now. And then we need a stock that has been breaking out or down out of a range. And we want to see stocks that have either strong trends or like a big base, an unneglected stock, something that's been like left for dead that comes out like a spot a couple weeks ago. See like how like this thing was in a downtrend, but then you based out and then it broke, right? So like I want to see something like that if I'm looking for a gapper. So this Rio showed up in the gapper scan yesterday, but you could see like on the daily chart, it just didn't have any juice, right? You're stuck in a range. You're not really up trend, down trend. There's not anything going on. So what I want to do on this, and I don't know if I'm going to short it or not, but when I see this opening gap and I see that first green candle, it doesn't necessarily mean anything. A lot of people would think it's a long, but it doesn't have to be. I only think it's a long if it gets over 24. So as soon as this thing reverses back under and fills this gap, we're taking this thing short in the chat room, and it has this crazy range, and it's all just based on one thing, that I watched the action. So you watch the pre-market action, then you watch this first candle. When it fades off because the daily chart's not clean, we could take this trade, and then I got a really nice shred on this thing, and then later on, you can see like you got this like huge breakdown. So once you get the opening gap reversal, this is going to happen a lot. You'll have a short squeeze midday. Midday is about retracement, short squeezes, consolidation. You got to just let it fizzle out and wait for the end of day. So what we ended up doing, end of day is, we took another short in this thing, and I ended up covering around 1947. And it was just it's just a very simple breakdown pullback setup. As you get a dump like this, you get this big dump from 921 to 19. I want to hit the first pop. So see how it starts to come right back into the breakdown spot. As soon as I get this big red candle to hold and you're remounting these two MAs, that's where I want to take this thing short again, and then we can play this thing back. Now the issue on this one is I covered at 1947. I made a mistake, and that was I just wanted to bail for the day, so I covered up in 1947. I had 2,000 shares this bad boy. I really left a little bit of money on the table there, that extra dollar. Those little nickels, they add up, don't they? So always be careful of where you cover. Ride these things down your MAs and be good about it. Opening gap reversal, it's a simple setup. You just got to know when to utilize it. If you start to short gaps all the time on breakout stocks, you're going to have a lot of trouble because those are longs. So a big part of gap strategy and intraday strategy is marrying your daily chart, your bigger picture thesis with what you're seeing intraday. As always, smash that like button if you like what we're doing. feel free to leave me any comments, questions. If you ever want to see me make a specific video on anything, love to do all that fun stuff too. Take care.